Hello learners, in this video we will try to make a new game and let me show you how this game will look like. Okay, so I'm already having a copy of that game. So if I select that green flag, you can see that there are two characters and I have to catch the second character. So that character is moving randomly over here and this is how I can catch that character. So let's start making this game, and for this we need two characters and both of the characters are optional and you can choose whatever you like, right? So let's start with the new. Okay, so we need two characters. Let's select, for example, I'm selecting this D character over here. This is D and he has to catch a butterfly. So this is a butterfly and let's select a background according to this. So let's see which background is suitable for this. So I'm selecting this background over here and this is D, but this background is not very appropriate, so yeah, this forest seems good. Okay, so to make the game, what we need to add uh, you know few randomly moving characters over here. Okay, so this is a butterfly and let's start coding this first. For this we need to go to the event and then I'm dragging this when green flag is clicked, and after that we'll need a forever loop, and then we need a glide to random position. So this is a one part of code for this butterfly. So if I just select the green flag, now you can see that this butterfly is moving to the random positions. So obviously this character has to catch that butterfly, right? So let's move this to the second part of the code. Obviously we need another for loop, and there is a condition that we are needing right now. So I'm taking this if condition, right? And after that we have to go to the sensing, and obviously there is a D, so we are selecting this character, that character, the second character one. Its name is D, and we need to create a variable for the score. So let's name that. Or I am unable to create the variable right now. This sometimes happen in offline version of Scratch. Let's try to create one more time, and if it didn't work we have to restart the game. Okay, for this I am saving this game for now. So let's name this game 4 and I'm saving this right now. Okay, so this is also something that is very important and crucial, that if somehow the variable or some other things don't work, so we need to restart this, right? So let's load from computer and game 4. Okay, so now let's try to create a variable. Yeah, now it's working, right? So this is another thing that needs attention. Okay, so here is a variable score, and obviously we need that over here. So let's just change my variable by 1 over here. We created the variable named as score, so I'm selecting score from here, right? And obviously we want to add some sort of sound over here, right? So play sound until done. I'm selecting this, and it's totally optional that what sound you are currently choosing, so that pop sound maybe seems fine for now, right? So let's move towards the D now. So for D there is a very simple code. We need to add two buttons, and yes, it's in the control or my variable. Yes, it's in the control block. Okay, so we need two buttons. Let's make this right arrow and make second as left arrow, right? And what we are supposed to do with this, we are going to change the direction of x according to this, right? So this will change the direction of x to 10, and this will change the direction of x to minus 10, right? So this is the whole game or scenario. You can change the size of this butterfly from here as well if you want to. Like if I want to change the size of butterfly, I am totally free to do that, but for now I guess this butterfly seems okay, and if you want to add color and everything, you are also free to do that. Okay, so let's start playing our game. So this is how this game basically works, and if I change that size of that butterfly, it will be a little bit more difficult, right? So this is it. Thank you so much.